There are 117 million lakes on Earth. Only one is older than 25 million years. This is that lake, Baikal. Listviyanka, the gateway to the lake. Listviyanka is a small village situated exactly where the Angara River flows out of Lake Baikal, just 70 kilometers, about 43 miles, from the city of Irkutsk. Getting here isn't easy. In the middle of Siberia, the very middle of nowhere. And the moment you see it, you understand. This place was not made for you. It was here before you. Even in summer, the water is freezing. The depth hits you immediately, more than a kilometer of water beneath your feet. Knowing that is a strange feeling. Not fear, respect. Light changes slowly over Baikal. A sunset here lasts half an hour, and in that half hour the water changes color 4 times. Turquoise, silver, copper, then navy, almost black. Baikal was born from a single rift. The Earth's crust tore open here. Every year it widens by 2 centimeters, still growing.
На посвете прозрачно. Да подожди. Вот такой маленький. Не знаю, а у меня дома.
The fish and souvenir market, a perfect place to try amol, an endemic Baikal fish typically sold smoked or salted. and to shop for local crafts and jewelry made from semi-precious stones.
Пойдемте вот отсюда начнем.
But the lake is more than depth. Life lives at its edge. Small boats, rusted engines, hands casting nets. People have fished here for centuries. They match the lake's time, unhurried. The legend of Angara is one of the most famous and beautiful Siberian folktales. It serves as a mythic explanation for the unique geography of the region, specifically why the Angara is the only river that flows out of Lake Baikal, while hundreds of others flow into it. According to local indigenous mythology, Lake Baikal is personified as a powerful, ancient, and stern patriarch known as Old Man Baikal. The only daughter, the Angara River is the single outlet that drains from the lake, flowing north to eventually join the Yenisei River. The legend says that Father Baikal had 336 sons, representing the 336 rivers and streams that flow into the lake, bringing him wealth and water. However, he had only one daughter, the Angara, the only river that flows out of Lake Baikal. Shaman Cayman, Shaman Rock. The massive boulder Baikal threw is a real geological feature. It sits precisely at the source of the Angara River, right next to the town of Listviyanka. Baikal water than all the world's rivers carry in a year, and inside it live creatures that exist nowhere else. Baikal doesn't share, it keeps. "25 million years. Baikal remembers what we have never known. The question isn't whether we deserve it. The question is, will Baikal remember us?" Every place a moment, every moment a story.